recent analyst report revealed that enterprises that have migrated to Snowflake reported a 5x increase in ROI over a 3-year time period. Our client, a leading provider of financial technology to banks, credit unions, securities brokers, and retailers, were using a legacy data infrastructure built on Hadoop to manage transactional data. This system was slow and had high query latency. Also, their data security tools were minimal and often incurred additional costs through add-ons. By migrating to Snowflake, they were looking to improve query performance, better manage merchants' transactional data, and analyze risk and compliance data faster. They needed Sigmoid's help to realize the full potential of Snowflake data architecture for faster analytics, while also addressing missing data lineage and cataloging issues. With proven expertise in migrating and managing data on the cloud, we were able to deploy best practices for ingesting data, storing it in the right data warehouse, and modularizing queries. We used accelerators to convert the queries to Snowflake-compatible SQL, resulting in faster query processing time, reducing execution cost. Using custom and proprietary frameworks with tools such as Datamir, Adlin, and OvalEdge, we created a data governance approach to manage metadata and lineage. And finally, to optimize the overall workflow management, we deployed Airflow. We managed to streamline the migration process completely, resulting in a 10x improvement in the performance of the data pipeline. We achieved real-time query resolution by bringing down the query processing time. All this resulted in a whopping 90% cost reduction in running complex analytical queries. Looking to modernize your data platform on the cloud? Reach out to us at marketing@sigmoid.com or visit our website to know more.